Hey, it's snowing. Great. Get me out of here. Macgregor, take me away. Hey, here's my new hatch. That's got the velcro on it. I've got 2 inches. It's a little stiff, but as you can tell, there's no squeal. There's no obnoxious squeal. Probably need to do that 20 times, 30 times. Need to take it out and get it wet and get it broke in. There we go. Put a little sail coat on it if you want, I guess. I don't know. That's worked out real good. You could take a 1-inch piece. I'd recommend 1 inch. I think it's 80 inches long. But I'd put it in 2 pieces, and you can probably just put it on there without even taking anything off. I took this off because I had problems with the stuff underneath. Be in another video somewhere. But yeah, I'm happy I put the fuzzy side here on the boat so it won't wear no more. Okay, because that got some pretty good wear. And so I put the fuzzy side on that just to see what happened. I think the other side might hold it up a little harder. And that's tight enough. Let me see here. I don't know. He's still got some good play. It's just dragging on it, I guess. And that ain't even really dragging. I got a spot up there I gotta get off. Must be a high spot on the cabin top. I'll work on that. Alright, well, I think that covers my installation of the Velcro and the other stuff. I'm happy with the Velcro there.